guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a wash and go video. Basically, if you guys are looking for length, for growth, for healthy hair, watch the rest of this video. Continue to watch my channel, and in about 6 months from now, my hair will be back to its normal length, which is about down my back. I usually don't do wash and goes in the winter. Don't want to get sick. So now that it's warm outside, I'm going to do my first wash and go of the year. So here we go. I've already washed my hair. I washed my hair with Shea Moisture. I think it's called Super Greens. I'll have a picture at the end of the video of the specific one I used. So with wash and goes, you want your hair to be damp, sorry. And basically, my process isn't long and drawn out because I literally like to wash and go, okay? I'm not trying to sit here for like 30 minutes trying to do a hairstyle. It's simple, basic, wash and go. I tend to use the lock method. I like using the lock method. So just look, this is my hair. It's not as wet as I like for it to be when I start, but with the lock method, you use a leave-in. So today I'm going to be using this one. It's Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey and Yogurt, Hydrate Plus Repair, Multi-Action Leave-In. So anything that says hydrate and repair, that's what I want. And then down at the bottom, down here, it also says restore, prep, and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. So that's what I want. I want my hair to get as much moisture as possible. That's what I'm going for. That's the goal. And that will basically put my hair back to a healthy state. It used to be long, but I had to cut it off because I wasn't taking very good care of it. I keep it in a bun all the time. They call those protective hairstyle, but my experience, I really disagree. I have more breakage after I take it out the bun. My scrunchie has like a whole bunch of hair. But we'll see moving forward after routine or after weekly wash and goes. We'll see. I'm gonna show you guys how my hair is changing and how much it's grown and whatnot. So here we go. Gonna first do I want to do a part, and normally I do this in the shower, but I forgot, so oh well. So I'm gonna do my part because I want my hair to have a part going to the side here. There we go. So now next, I'm gonna be very generous with this, you guys, because my hair is damp and I need to get a spray bottle so I can put some water in it. But this will do the trick because this is a leave-in conditioner, so it has water and conditioner in here. So if I can get it to spray, it's new, so I'm using it for the first time today, and I'm just gonna soak my hair in this. I'm gonna really get the ends because that's the oldest part of your hair. That's what tends to be the driest. So I'm just gonna really coat everything. I've noticed a lot of YouTubers, when doing wash and goes, they part their hair. I don't do that because I don't like the part to stick out in the back after it dries. Plus, I don't really like a whole bunch of volume with my wash and goes. So I'm not wanting you guys to smell so good. This smells so freaking good. I'm just gonna wet my hair with this, just giving it something to drink. I like that this is in a spray bottle. I can just mist my hair with it. Most leave-in conditioners you're having to scoop out of its container or whatnot, but I like that this is in a spray bottle. I'm not sure how this video is gonna turn out light-wise, because I am sitting in front of the blinds here, and I'm not using my light that came with my device here, so I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. Get some of this in the front. Okay, so that's enough of my leave-in. So that's the L in lock. Like I said, I tend to do the lock method, and that's what we're doing today. Ooh, that one almost got in my eye. So that's the L. And then O stands for oil. I'm not going to use oil today. I'm going to use, it is Nourish Organic Intensely Moisturizing Shea Butter. So I'm using this as my oil. It is thick, and you kind of have to work it into your palms. You have to work it into your palms to like melt it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it is thick, okay? So I'm gonna put that in my palm, and I'm just gonna work it in and melt it. The heat of my hand is gonna melt it to where I can work it in, okay? And this is just gonna basically lock that leave-in conditioner in. So the oil is gonna lock in all that moisture, or in my case, the shea butter. Okay, got a tiny bit of breakage here, but like I said, trying to revitalize my hair. The more moisture you give it, the healthier it will be. So I'm just trying to get it back to that state. Okay, so there we go. And that's good for me. And lastly, C is for cream. So it's whatever you use for your styling cream. And I like Shea Moisture products. There are some other products that I do want to try, but for now I am sticking to Shea Moisture. I like the results that I get with the Shea Moisture products. And for my cream, I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I'm using this as my styling cream. And this smells pretty good too. I like the way it smells. So now with this, I'm pretty generous with this, okay? So that's just the first. I'll go back for more in a minute. Just gonna work this in my hair for now. Okay. Like I said, I don't part my hair. I don't think it's necessary. Not at this phase anyway. Once it starts to grow back, then yeah, I'll go ahead and go back into, like, I don't even do like a true sectioning, like how people section it into fours. I've never really done that. Ain't nobody got time for all that. That's just too time consuming. I can do it this way and pretty much get the same results. Now, my hair really isn't curly. It's more so curly on the ends, but like throughout, it's wavy. So I like my wavy hair, my wavy curly ended hair, okay? I'm not trying to change my hair texture. I guess I used to back in the day with straightening my hair, and I used to get a relaxer. Started getting relaxers in, I think I was in the 7th grade, because I wanted my hair to look like all my other friends, and they used to get relaxers, not knowing the damage I was doing to my hair. But that was the first time. It wasn't 7th grade, it was 8th grade. First time I got a relaxer. And then in 2008, I stopped getting relaxers. You know, your moms try to tell you not to do something. My mom told me, she said, don't get a relaxer. You don't need a relaxer. But at that age, you know, you think you know more than your mom. So I wanted my relaxer, and therefore I made enough fuss about it. Therefore I got it. Then 2008, I learned for myself about the damage I was doing to my hair. And I didn't do the big chop, but I started growing my perm out. Every time I go to the salon, I think I started going to the Dominicans at this point, because I wasn't doing a relaxer, or anybody that did natural hair. I was going there, and they clipped my ends a little at a time, you know, clipping the perm away. And then eventually I was all natural, and it's been this way. I figured if I want straight hair, I can add a little bit of heat to it and straighten it. So that's not often. I probably straighten my hair like once a year. I'll let the Dominicans do it. I told y'all I use a lot of this, but I don't use gel. See, a lot of people, when they do their wash and goes, I notice they use gel. I don't use gel. To me, this is my gel. My hair doesn't need a whole lot. I feel like gel, I don't know, I guess depending on which ones you're using, but most of them, you know, it gets hard, and it's not good for your hair. So I use the smoothie, and it gives me the same effect. And while I'm working it in, I'm just using what they call the praying hands, just to work it all in and to prevent extra frizz. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store. This is pretty much done. Also, I don't use a diffuser, which is why I don't do the wash and goes in the winter. Because I don't want to be out there with wet hair, since I don't use a diffuser. I like to let my hair air dry. So this is to the point where I am satisfied, and it took less than 12 minutes. So I'm all done. About to go to the grocery store, let this air dry some, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. It won't be completely dry, I don't think, by the time I get back, but it'll be dry enough to where you guys can see kind of what it looks like. Okay, see you guys soon. Hey guys, okay, so I am back from the store, and my hair has had some time to dry, and this is what my wash and go looks like. There is a little bit of shrinkage, but I don't mind that. It'll stretch out as the week goes, or as the days go by. But yeah, this is my under 12-minute wash and go. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment below. I can also do other types of wash and goes using different products and different methods. Um, so just leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.